My lord, may I permitted to mention, I am praying leave to file memo of appeal without certified copy, my lord.
Date of the order?
10th of September 2020
Yes, leave
and
grant.
uploaded on 12th September.
Leave
I'm
grant.
grateful, my lord.
Appellate side, daily list, serial number 1, 2, 3.
Lordship, I went through the report filed by the state of West Bengal. Lordship, there has been one concession done, that is the OPT bed. That is definitely there. All the paraphernalia required has been given. But with regard to the sleep study machine, Lordship, they had said they have purchased 2 machines. I find it is the old machine, one machine in SSKM hospital and one in the Institute of Psychiatry, which is of no use to us. Lordship, what they have said on the last occasion before you, Lordship, that they've spent 35 lakhs per machine is not correct, probably.
Wait, what they say is 2 sleep study equipment are available with SSKM and IPJMR.
Yes.
And with the Institute of Psychiatry. In case of additional numbers of machines are required for the work, such additional number of machines would be it should be procured, not procured by the department.
Lordship, we were given the impression that that has already been procured.
We were also under that impression.
But that
Mr.
is not.
Mukherjee said 35 lakhs.
35 lakhs.
But then you purchase it. We'll make a we'll issue a direction today.
And Lordship, I understand, and I'm very grateful that the Chief Secretary has spoken to my learned friend to appear on finance, who was not a party. Lordship, therefore, that issue about the stipend will probably be taken up very seriously. We are saying let a time-bound factor, Lordship, because...
No, let us not put pressure. In fact, Saturday I was in the Judicial Academy, and Principal Secretary, Social Welfare Department, Child Welfare, Madam Sanghamitra Ghosh, she was present, and she also said that she welcomed this order, the several orders passed, and she said this 5,000 also will be sanctioned very soon, is her information. Yeah. Then today we will issue a direction for the sleep study equipment along with BiPAP machine.
And I think my learned friend will be better equipped to address your Lordship. But on the issue of UDID card,
we will hear him. We will hear him. Sir, please come. Reference may be made to the order dated 12/9/2025.
All over 1 lakh.
This should be detecting. And early detection. Reference may be made to the order dated 12/9/2025. Minor typographical mistake has occurred in paragraph 8 and 9. Instead of the word detecting, it should be detecting in paragraph 8, and in paragraph 9, the word should be instead of deduction, it should be detection. Okay. Tara, we have heard the learned advocates for the parties. In our order dated 12/9/2025, we had extracted the response given by the state government with regard to the various directions. And one such direction was with regard to the purchase of sleep study equipment along with BiPAP machine. The response of the state government is that there are 2 such sleep study equipment available in SSKM and IPGMER and with the Institute of Psychiatry. And in case of additional numbers of machines are required for the work, such additional number of machines will be procured by the department. The direction issued earlier in the earlier orders was to provide an exclusive sleep study equipment with BiPAP machine for the center at the Kolkata Police Hospital. Therefore, there will be a direction to the respondent state government to purchase one sleep study equipment exclusively to be, as a with BiPAP machine to be installed in the Calcutta Police Hospital, exclusively reserved for the persons suffering from rare disease. That will be okay, madam?
Lordship,
Hmm.
Lordship, and on the issue of the 50-bedded unit that is to be opened shortly in the Kolkata Police Hospital, they have indicated 5 beds would be given for rare disease patients. But your Lordship's order had said that 3 beds should be kept for muscular dystrophy patients and 2 for other rare disease. Lordship would make that clear. They are never saying that they're for the 5 beds they are saying will be for rare disease patients. We have
No,
faced
they say 5 ICU, CCU beds would be earmarked at this CCB for rare disease patients.
Yes.
Lordship had thereafter
That will be
demarcated.
going to taking it too far.
Your Lordship's direction is already there. 3 beds for muscular dystrophy and 2 for other rare disease. Because why I'm saying this is because on 2 occasions, the persons could not finally get a bed and that's why they
See,
expired.
Suppose the other person suffering from rare disease
Be all equally serious.
serious, so you can't keep the bed. Let us
No,
not.
because the 50-bedded unit is going to be a specialized unit. It's going to have all the facilities. So we are
Further,
presuming that
there was
this
a
will
direction
it will be almost like an
with
ICU.
regard to providing 5 ICU/CCU beds exclusively for persons suffering from rare diseases. In fact, in the earlier direction, the court suggested that 3 such beds be earmarked for persons suffering from muscular dystrophy and 2 for the persons with other rare disease, suffering from other rare disease. The concerned hospital authorities shall take note of this suggestion and act accordingly.
Lordship, that is enough.
Please sit down. Then
Lordship,
UDID.
the
UDID.
other thing that Mr. Jayanto Shamanto is today appearing for the Chief Secretary and or for the Department of Finance, we had not made them parties. I'm handing over a copy of the writ petition to him here and now. Lordship kindly records that he has appeared.
All right, Mr. So-and-so, under Government Council, appears for the Chief Secretary of the Government of West Bengal and the Principal Secretary Finance Department, Government of West Bengal. And though they are not been implemented as respondents in the writ petition, and it is a submission that policy decision will be taken very soon with regard to payment of rupees 5,000 as stipend for persons suffering from rare disease. The submission is taken on record. The learned advocate appearing for the writ petitioner in WPAP 20 or 2020 has served a copy of the writ petition on Mr. So-and-so. Okay, what about the orders?
Lordship, I should have also given him the bullet points that I had prepared for all the orders. I've already handed it over.
Yes, you sit down. UDID, what to do?
Lordship, UDID card we find in the report, what has been addressed is the giving the card, but where we had talked of enhancement of the amount of deficiency, maybe it was initially 70 and now it has risen to 90. Your Lordship had said a medical board has to be formed as early as possible and the next card, the fresh card after surrender of the older card should be given within 10 days. Lordship, that has not been addressed. My learned friend will be better able to say on.
That amendment took place in 2024. According to Rule 2, application is made to be filed, can be supplied within 3 months. Kindly see with the last page, but 3 types of UDID card. This is the portal of the Government of India. Below 40%, one white card and blue card.
In fact, sir is there from the department. He will be able to tell.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. 3
You
types
come in front. Use the mic.
These 3 types of cards are issued by the Government of India. White is below 40%, which was earlier not there. So, and the benchmark is 40%. So from 40 to 80, it is a yellow card. And from 80 above, it is blue card. So these are being issued by Government of India. It comes through Spaceport. Usually it takes 2 to 3 weeks to reach the candidate. But they can download a copy of those cards whenever the certificate is issued online in the portal. They can use that for any exam purpose or any other purpose. They can
Oh,
use.
they have flagged two issues, sir.
Yes, sir.
One is, this card should be acceptable throughout the country.
That is the
Suppose
way.
the parent he is in employment and he is transferred. They face difficulty, they are not able to utilize the card, or when they are traveling, let us say. That is one issue. Secondly, what they say is, if the percentage of disability increases and there is a reassessment done, let us assume a person with 60 becomes 80, that updation is not being done properly. That is the second issue which they have flagged.
And within a
We can
particular,
do one thing, sir. Mr. Gupta is there, Madam Nandini Madam is also there. If you can, after the sitting, if you can just stay for 10 minutes, they will be able to tell what is their difficulty they are facing. And earlier there was an issue regarding downloading, uploading of information. I think that glitches has now been addressed. After 5, 6, 7 orders, after additional Solicitor General intervened, officers from Government of India came, that is done. Now these two issues alone, if you can discuss with them on the next hearing, you can just give a letter or a report.
Yes.
That Mukherjee will place it before us.
Yes, sir.
Before us. I said it will be placed before us. It won't be placed before us. It will be placed before the division bench.
Thank
that
you,
is
sir.
our regret. That is really our regret that it won't be before this.
Full day for
You get his name and designation. Sir, you please write name, designation, your name.
Yes, sir.
One slip you take. I'll make him one sample in academics. And I get to Mr. So-and-so is present in
Lordship,
court.
may I make one short distinction? Lordship, with this.
Wait, madam. So is present in court. The matter pertains to certain difficulties faced by the person suffering from rare disease in obtaining the UDID cards. It is no doubt true that certain glitches which were there earlier stand resolved, but however, there appears to be still some more issues which needs to be addressed. We have requested Mr. Kaushik Gupta, learned senior advocate, appearing for the petitioner in WPAP 9 of 2023 to hold discussion with the officer and highlight the issues which are whole discussion with Dr. Subrata Rai with regard to issues faced by the persons suffering from rare disease, the UDID card. After getting the inputs from Mr. Gupta, learned senior advocate, Dr. Ray shall file a report before this court as to how the issues could be resolved. Report before this court on the next hearing date as to how the issues can be resolved. Please sit down. Yes, madam, what else?
I was talking about the fact that UDID card is one and disability card. That is also.
UDID card / disability card. That will be fine? Yes. Then when do we have it? After puja?
Lordship?
After puja we can.
after vacation.
After vacation, Lordship.
We will give a date.
That would be very good. If you
List the matter and so in the daily list.
My lord, may I raise one issue regarding this UDID card? Railway, then this National Trust of India, all these various agencies, they are not straight away acknowledging the card. They are issuing their own card because they say that some of the disabilities that do not come under their purview of giving railway concession or not. So they are issuing separate cards.
In your report, you please highlight that.
And Government of India is aware of that. They are working on it so that some common ground may be here.
Yes, I completely agree. And the difficulty is that there is, if I do not accept the card,
there is no accountability.
If as a railway authority or a transport authority, I do not accept the card.
There is no accountability of that particular officer who's.
There is no provision.
Food form to लिखे देवन.
And this the difficulty is especially when I am in a different stage. I do not even know.
Then what you can do is say you discuss with doctor and you get his email ID.
I really
We
You
can correspond.
correspond with him. So he gets ready and whatever government of India has to be addressed, that issue they will highlight. Then you can share that information with the ASG and get the concerned department to do something.
even from the members of Poribar Bengal, my lord, I have been asked to convey our greatest appreciation and gratefulness to
Mental
you.
health yes, UDID.
Lordship, it is also, I endorse his views, Lordship, on behalf of my clients. This matter was never taken up as seriously as your Lordship has
But,
decided.
government was also proactive, no?
The
Both
government has,
central government as well as the state government. In fact, the secretary to government social welfare was so appreciative of the efforts taken by all of you. I told that benevolent advocates have contributed. Immediately wheelchairs were procured. On 7th September, it was given to the children. They are all quite excited to have that equipment. So continue your good work.
Lordship,
Had it
Lordship,
not been
had it not been for your Lordship, we would not have been able to progress as we have.
No, it's a collective effort. No? It's a collective. You got material, then the government responded. AG was appearing, then
Public interest meeting, sir.
and then ASG took up matter seriously.
Yes, he took it very seriously.
In fact, on Friday, I thanked Rajshri Kundalia for that.
Yes, for that fact that that person, student was admitted.
She earnestly pursued the matter. ASG also put pressure. And the Sangathan ultimately agreed. It's very difficult. Now, they had earlier, they had quota for the member
Quota,
of,
but nowadays
but now it's
there is no
completely
quota. That is how the first boy went in, through the quota, MP quota. But the second boy, it was your Lordship's order that
no,
allowed.
they obliged and they
Before
Thank you very much.
The last appearance.
yes, yes.
We are very, very grateful to your Lordship, and we have. It has been an unique experience to have justice so proactive in this matters, Lordship.
Before your Lordship rises, Milord, may we wish your Lordship a happy and healthy, satisfactory long years. And we will certainly miss your Lordship.
Thank you very much for the nice sentiments.
Grateful. For you.